Yo, what's going on YouTube? We back with another video today. Today we got Tim gonna install his carbon steering wheel. Kind of excited for it. He's been needing this mod to dress up the interior a little bit. As y'all know, actually no, how long you been waiting for this mod? Like, be honest here.
Since I got the car, honestly.
Like you see mine, right?
Yeah. It's like 50 extra horsepower right here, you know.
Oh God. I bet so. You know, just go ahead and just get straight to the install today. First things first, you know, gotta disconnect the battery. Anything electrical, you gotta do it. So now let's go inside the car and start taking this airbag off. All right, first things first, we got these star sockets, I'm pretty sure. Got a T30 bit, if you can zoom in, T30 bit. Let's go ahead, it's on both sides of the steering wheel, so get that off, and then we should be able to pull the airbag out from there. All right, so we got the two bolts out. We went ahead, pulled out the
airbag?
No, the horn, I'm pretty sure, for that. So now we gotta take out these clips right here to fully take out the airbag. Yeah, all you have to do is just pinch out two of the white clips on the side and then just pull up. And then after that, we go to that. After that, I marked the center line. All I gotta do is as a 10 mil hex, and then just take off this clip, and we should be able to take the whole steering wheel off after that. All right, got the center bolt out, marked the center line, so we know to line up again. I went ahead and undid these from the clip, and then now I gotta undo this Phillips to pull this out, and then we can actually pull off the steering wheel. Time to pull it out. Go ahead, sir. Now let's go ahead and go inside and get these done. All right, we went inside for this, just get a better angles and stuff and lighting. Go ahead, next step is take off these four, take off the back plate. We should be able to start removing these buttons. So, all right, so we got the back plate off, and I went ahead and took the wires off. So this is the blue goes to this side and white goes to this side. So now let's go ahead and flip it over and take off the control panels. All right, we got the gunmetal trim out. So now we gotta pull off these. Pretty much just pull out from the back, just a bunch of clips, like so. And boom. So we'll get right there and I'll get right back to you. I got a little ahead of myself, went ahead and take the buttons off because it's kind of a pain to be honest, right here. But you know, we got to transfer it all to the carbon steering wheel. I got a little ahead of myself. Got a little ahead of myself, took these buttons off because they were kind of a pain to be honest. But now we got to transfer it onto the carbon one. So let's get straight to that. All right, so we got all the buttons on so I can record it for y'all. It's kind of a pain to be honest. It's super annoying, especially this piece right here. Not gonna lie, at first we thought it didn't fit, but we got it to work. So now it's pretty easy. Just plug these back into the airbag, plug this into the car, put tape there so it wouldn't move and everything. And see, we're almost done. So pretty much right now, all we gotta do is fish those wires for the airbag through here, plug the white wire into that plug right there, and then put the big bolt and torque it down, and then we should be set. All right, so we went ahead and torqued this down. It was 30 foot-pounds. Went and attached these. Now you gotta do is the airbag, negative terminal, just pop it back on with the two bolts, and we're set. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll get right back to you. All right, we got the bolts in, and the steering wheel is complete. Looks so good. Feels really nice. It's like a solid like D shape. I actually like it a lot. It's just like mine, to be honest. But what's it called? The thing is, this doesn't really sit that flush. I think over time we just kind of push it in. It's kind of weird to be honest, but you don't really see from this angle or this side. It's not as bad, like so. But yeah, maybe I just try to push it, muscle it in or something. I'll find out. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what Tim says. But yeah, pretty much the install wasn't entirely too bad. It's more so of like the tight tolerance from the new carbon steering wheel because the leather is really thick. So we did unfortunately break a little prong, but it's okay. Like, we really didn't that big of a deal. But what would you rate this install, Tim?
Shit, come look, you let me know. Man, I think it's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Must try again for sure.
No, I don't know about try again, but we'll see. But yeah, you know, make sure we went on a test drive and everything, make sure everything was straight. You know, steering wheel was straight. Good thing I put the tape, because not gonna lie, I feel like it would have probably turned or something. So if y'all like the video, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. Y'all get posted whenever I post a new video, and I'll see y'all later. Also, don't worry, the link is down below.